In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WordPress files on WP Engine. Whether you're looking to back up your website, transfer files, or simply ensure you have a copy handy in case of emergencies, downloading WordPress files is a vital skill every website owner should possess. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log in to your WP Engine dashboard. Go to my.wpengine.com and sign in with your credentials. This is your hub for managing your WordPress environment and where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your sites if you manage multiple environments. Next, select the specific environment you wish to access. This could be a production or a staging site depending on where you want to download the files from. This choice allows you to work with the exact set of files you need. When you have your environment selected, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on SFTP Users. In this section, you can either create new SFTP credentials or copy existing ones. These credentials include the username, password, host, and port. Keep in mind that these details are crucial for connecting to your site files, so treat them with the utmost care and confidentiality. If you don't already have them on hand, this is where you can quickly generate these access details. You'll now need to open your FTP client. Popular choices like FileZilla or CyberDuck are great for this purpose. These programs will allow you to connect to your server and download files directly to your local machine. If you haven't already downloaded one, now's the time to do so. Upon launching your chosen FTP client, proceed to enter the SFTP credentials obtained from your WP Engine account. Enter the host, username, password, and port number accurately, and hit connect. You should find yourself within your website's file structure. Once connected, navigate to the .wp content folder. This folder is crucial as it contains the core files of your WordPress site, including themes, plugins, and uploads. From here, you can decide whether to download the entire folder or specific files depending on your needs. If you're unsure, it's often a good idea to download all contents of the WP content folder to ensure you have a comprehensive backup. Finally, initiate the download and patiently wait for the transfer to be complete. The duration of this process can vary based on the size of your website files and your internet speed. Once the download is finished, your WordPress files are safely stored on your computer. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded your WordPress files from WP Engine. Now, whether you're securing a backup or preparing for a migration, having these files locally stored will provide you with flexibility and peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more tutorials.